Check out this smart, connected and low-cost security kit from Hey. Comes complete with a smart video doorbell, two smart contact sensors and a motion detector. The contact sensors are battery powered, so there's no need for complicated or unsightly wires. Install them on any door or window and receive live notifications direct to your phone when either they are opened or closed. The motion sensor can detect movements in any room and send a notification directly to your phone. The video doorbell is battery operated and it's easy to install. Stream live HD footage directly from your phone. There's also two-way communication, so you can use your phone and cameras and intercom. All the Hey smart products are easily connected and configured in the Hey Smart app and can interact with each other. To get yours at a low cost, click the link below. Like and follow as I take a more in-depth look at each product.